Cryogenic chambers produced by Creator are state-of-the-art equipment protected by patent laws. The chamber consists of 2 rooms, a vestibule with a temperature reaching -60°C, where the patients adapt for several seconds to this temperature before entering the second room of the treatment chamber, where temperatures range between -110°C and -160°C. The total time of sojourn in the treatment chamber depends on the ailment and varies from 2 to 3 minutes. Technically, the cryogenic chamber consists of housing system, cooling system, air preparation system for breathing, control system guaranteeing the correct functioning of the cryogenic chamber, safety systems. The cooling factor is liquid nitrogen at a temperature of -196°C. The supply of nitrogen and containers, together with vacuum installations, is performed by Creator in cooperation with Global Tycoon on the basis of an agreement. This cooperation guarantees the lowest costs of operating the equipment and the usage of the state-of-art technical solutions during production. As a result of this, Creator won the silver medal at the World Exhibition of Innovation, Research and New Technologies, Brussels Eureka 2006, held in Brussels in November 2006. The housing of the cryogenic chamber is composed of a module construction of the walls in the form of boards. The isolation of walls in the cryogenic chamber is made of materials with unique isolation parameters. As a result of this, the outside of the chamber retains room temperature in spite of the low temperature conditions inside. This enables maintaining the required temperature and ensures stable functioning. Achieving and maintaining the required temperature is ensured by the heat exchanger installed in the vestibule and the treatment chamber. Temperature measurement is performed at a height of about 40 centimeters above the floor level. Appropriate arrangement and construction of the heat exchanger assures the correct temperature distribution in whole cryogenic chamber, and this guarantees the effectiveness of the treatment. This system, responsible for the preparation of the air for breathing, enables the introduction of the purest and driest air at a temperature between -110°C and -120°C into the therapy chamber in a quantity which allows the air to be exchanged several times per hour. This system operates with another system which sucks up any mist appearing during the process. The interaction of these systems guarantees comfort during treatment, as it reduces the feeling of cold, maintains clarity of the atmosphere in the treatment chamber, and neutralizes the influence of outside air which enters the chamber during the patient's entrance and exit. The control system is contained in 2 small cabinets. The Mitsubishi electronic control system provides the electronic control of all the components of the cryogenic chamber and also allows for the temperature and time setting of the treatment. The system monitors the oxygen level in the treatment chamber as well as in the premises in front of the engine room, and it signalizes any malfunctioning of the cryogenic chamber. In cases of extreme danger, both for the patient and for the staff, for example in case of a drop of oxygen level below 17% or a failure of the temperature measurement system, the control system switches off the chamber and cuts off the inflow of the cooling medium next to the tank. The inside of the chamber is safe for the patient. The walls are covered with lime wood paneling. The chamber is equipped with a camera monitoring the course of the treatment. The doors of the treatment chamber and vestibule have windows which enable eye contact with the patient, and this in turn reduces the stress caused by being exposed to extreme conditions. The construction of door locks is an important safety element, as they may be opened by using body pressure without the need of using the door handle in the situation when the patient has to leave the treatment chamber urgently. The patient may signalize his need to leave the chamber by pressing the alarm button located inside the treatment chamber. The sound and light signal informs the therapist to stop the treatment immediately, and the electronic control system automatically cuts off the inflow of the cooling factor to all systems.